Grew up flying planes, both in combat and then as a test pilot before coming to NASA for 9 years. Got to go up to the space station and went back to the Air Force to help stand up the Space Force. As of today, I'll be coming to IM and being part of the Intuitive Machines team, and I absolutely can't wait. I grew up on a construction site. I was always driving Bobcats because I was the youngest of the 4 siblings, and so the least effective on a shovel. So Dad stuffed me in a Bobcat nice and young, and I loved it, but my head was always somewhere else. When I was at the Air Force Academy, I came back, and Dad, when he was dying of cancer, he kind of said to me, you know, we're getting towards the end. And for me, I was gonna leave the academy, come back and help run the company. And he said, you're absolutely not gonna do that. Your head's always been somewhere else. I dare you to dream. That was some great advice he gave me to, you know, just work really hard, be ready for opportunities, but chase those dreams with the passion that actually gets them done. I've seen all sides of space, civil, commercial, national security, at the DNA level. Feeling like you're part of something that incredible, where you make an impact every day, was awesome. It's being part of a team that's doing something amazing. And that's what drew me to IM, because I want to be part of a team that does something amazing. This is the place to take everything I've done, every experience I have, bring it to a team that is absolutely on fire, and contribute what I can to help them make a difference. And I think he'd be smiling.